Countries and trade investors alike have often criticized the lack of data to help making informed decisions on how to strike business and trade deals. This has been identified as a major barrier to global trade. To help bridge the trade imbalance and offer transparency, the United Nations Conference on Trade Development has launched a single database system to bridge the trade transparency gap. The database will provide information on non-tariff measures on 56 countries.
Despite the widespread use of non-tariff measures, there remains a significant transparency gap in this area. This is also where UNCTAD is trying to help fill the gap. In collaboration with several partners, we collect comprehensive data on non-tariff measures.
For decades, the policymakers, the economists have all dealt with the issue of tariffs. Our focus now needs to be on the non-tariff areas.
The non-tariff measures data will not only help investors and countries obtain trade information, but will also enable researchers analyze the impact of these measures in the region.
I think we need as much data, as much evidence as we can find, to enable us to collectively be able to benefit from the experience, from the practices that exist out there.
Delegates at UNCTAD 14 are championing the lowering of trade hurdles as a short-term achievement in the accomplishment of the Sustainable Development Goals that will need funding of up to 250 trillion shillings to be achieved, with the private sector expected to play a pivotal role. The two major instruments that will be expected at the end of the UNCTAD 14 is a political declaration that has been named the Nairobi Azimio and a negotiated text that will be called the Nairobi Consensus. Mumbi Warui, The Big Question.